Hi guys, welcome to my chess series titled Chess and Entrepreneurship. Last week we talked about strategic moves. This week we're going to talk about something specific and different, and I call it skill looping. Now, in the game of chess, you need to see multiple moves ahead and work with the multiple moves actually. A lot of persons spend time studying combinations just to see and have an idea of whatever that can play out on the board. And same thing applies in business. In business, you have to have a proper forecast. You need to know things that could happen ahead and have a way of sorting that out. You don't want things playing out suddenly and you don't have a plan B or plan C of what to go around it and all of that. It's very vital and it's very important that you have plans ahead and work towards that. That's all for today. Hope to see you next week when we'll be talking about interpreting the battle. Until then, stay blessed and have a wonderful week.